Scott Edna here in the enrichment room, your favorite place. She's going to be giving you a lesson today on two-dimensional figures and...
What is a polygon?
What is a polygon?
I love this, and you know I love to be in here. This is one of my favorite rooms, as is many. But I'm going to use the materials to help you understand your work at home better. It's very important, polygon. Poly means many, okay? And what it means is a many-sided figure. And this will help you with your IXL class. So we want to just distinguish things. We have things that are curved and things that are straight, okay? Lines that are curved make curved figures. Lines that are straight make polygons, okay? So we're going to categorize these and name these because polygons are classified. So we'll start with just curved figures first. Obviously, a circle is not in the polygon because it doesn't have straight lines, but here is a really interesting secret about this. Do you know that a polygon is, a circle really is a polygon with an infinite number of sides?
Mind blown.
Yes, it is. So that's the truth about that. But we have also an ellipse and an oval. Okay, so those are just, there aren't very many when you get down to it. Oh yes, we have a quadrifoil. Remember what a quadrifoil is? Okay, a quadrifoil. Those are your curved things. Oh, Miss Gaudette forgot one more. This is a curvilinear triangle. Okay, these are lines. These don't have distinct lines. They're shapes made by curved lines, is the truth about it. So now I'm going to distinguish polygon categories with our box of sticks with a straight line, and we're going to look at classifications of polygons, and it's really important to do this in groups. Okay, so the very basic polygons go in sequence. We start with, well, let me ask you this. What is the first shape that could possibly be a polygon? Would be a triangle, okay? And you guys remember, I'm gonna just start with an equilateral triangle. Believe it or not, triangles are the hardest classification and done last because there are 7 of them, and you have to know a lot about angles to know about triangles, which we are going to give you a lesson on, angles. So I'm just going to stick to our equilateral triangle. So we're going to go in order. So something with 3 sides is a triangle, but there's actually a family of 7 of these, which I am not going to go into right now. Okay, so you have 3. Then when we get into
3 sides, hold on.
3 sides. And this is my favorite partner in crime. We've done about 6 videos today for many different things, so we always enjoy working together. Okay, so the next, if we go up one, is 4. Okay, 4 sides make a square, but it also makes what? A rectangle. Okay, and rectangle and square is different because in a square, all the sides are the same, and you have pairs of sides that are the same. So 4 sides make a square and a rectangle. Wait a minute, that is not, yeah, that is a square, isn't it? Yeah, they're all the same. Okay, so a square and a rectangle. Now when we go up, 5 sides is pentagon. Penta means 5. 6 sides is a hexagon. 7 sides is a heptagon, H-E-P-T-A-G-O-N. 8 sides is an octagon, octo meaning 8, like octopus, it has 8 legs. Nonagon, nano means 9, and decagon means 10. Deca deca means 10. These are your basic polygons, okay, that go from 3 to 10. However, we stop at 10, but that doesn't mean there aren't names for 12 sides, 13 sides, and go look that up and see what the names of polygons are with more than 10 sides. But for our purposes, if you understand, if you kept going and adding sides, you'll eventually get to what shape? A circle, because a circle is an infinite numbers of sides. Okay, that is what makes a circle. So if you keep adding, what's an interesting experiment here, to prove my point, if you were to take the triangle, you can kind of see the triangle, you see a lot of space, but if you move to a pentagon, if you move to a hexagon, you'll notice, and you go all the way up to the decagon, wait a second, you're losing the space, right? So it's eventually becoming a circle. Remember, a circle is a polygon with an infinite number of sides. So that is the classification of general shapes for polygons. And I just want to add a couple of more that I'm just thinking here. I don't want to complicate this, and I'll just show you this. These are called the family of quadrilaterals. They're shapes that have 4 sides. Triangles also have a family of 7. This guy should not be here. But this, believe it or not, is a family of quadrilaterals because you have parallelograms. Take this out. You have here's a quadrilateral, these are parallelograms, and this is a trapezoid, and this is a rhombus. We will get to those later if we get into more detail with angles, but those are the general shapes of polygons.
Yay!